Hello everyone, welcome to ECLE 2.0. Today in this lesson we will know about the noun, kinds of noun. So let's get started in this video no, and we will understand various kinds of noun and their uses. So this lesson gonna useful for you. So please watch this lesson till the end so that you can get pure information. So now let's start. Yes, so as we know that what is a noun, so we know that a noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing. So the word thing refers anything that you can think of, that is called noun. Let's move on the noun types of. So we know that proper noun versus common noun. Let's know about, for example, proper noun. Ashoka is proper noun while king is common noun. More example, Sita is proper noun, girl is common noun. Kolkata is proper noun, city is common noun. India is proper noun and country is common noun. Let's know about some definition about so that you can understand properly the noun. So a proper noun is name of a specific person or place. When we talking about to specific person or place, it means it is called that proper noun. King is common noun. Like common noun is same as shared all items in same class. So king is common noun, it is common name noun. Okay, but specific, Ashoka is proper noun. Girl is common noun, but Sita is proper noun. Okay, we can take another example like Kajal is proper noun. Okay, Kolkata is proper noun, but city, kinds of city, Kolkata, Mumbai, Hyderabad is proper noun. Okay, India is proper noun, but country is common noun. So we can take country like countries, it is common noun. Okay, so I hope you would understand properly. Now let's go ahead. Okay, so notes on the proper noun. Some important thing is that so proper noun always start with a capital letter. You have to consider that. Okay, next point is that sometimes proper nouns are used as a common noun. For example, we can say that he was the Lukeman of his age. Okay, so Lukeman is common noun, but it is used as a proper noun. It means the wisest man. It means okay. For example, he is the Sachin of his colony. So Sachin is proper noun, but it is using a common noun. Okay, we can say that. Now let's know about some collective noun. So collective noun is also, you know about, collective noun refers a collection of person, thing as one whole. We can say that. We have example crowd. It means that the people, collection of people, so many people, mob. It is also but collection of people, but the it is one types of the provocative. Okay, team, any types of team. Flock, we can say that. So like we can say that collection of word, sheep, we can say that. Army, herd, fleet, jury and family, we can say that these are the some collective noun. For example, we can say that the jury found the prisoner guilty. We can say that and we can use that. Now let's know about some abstract noun. It is common use. For example, abstract nouns refers to qualities, actions or states apart from object. For example, quality, so goodness, kindness and bravery. Okay, action means laughter, theft and movement. State means childhood, poverty and sickness, we can say that. Okay, so they are also names of art and science. For example, grammar and music. Now let's know about formation of abstract nouns. Okay, so from adjectives like kindness become kind, honesties become honest. Okay, same in verb. So obedience, it comes from obey, growth come grow, we can say that. Common noun, childhood comes from child, and slavery come from slave, we can say that. Now let's know about easily countable noun and uncountable noun. Okay, so countable noun, object or people that can be counted. We can count it, for example, book, pen, apple, and boy. We can count easily. Okay, uncountable noun, substance or objects, things that cannot be counted. For example, milk, sugar, honesty, and gold. Countable nouns have plural form like books, but uncountable nouns do not. We can say that. So we can make the plural form of countable noun, but uncountable noun we can't make it. So these are some example that can be used. So how this lesson, it is easy video, please tell me in comment box. And if you are thinking that these are useful for you, so please subscribe this channel and share this video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.